Okay guys, good day. So welcome to the introduction to the OSI model, exercise 1. Okay, so our task is to examine a network interface card or NIC at layer 1 involves assessing its physical properties and capabilities. So okay, so step 1, sabi dito, connect to ACI Win 11. So andito na tayo sa ACI Win 11. So on the taskbar, right-click on the start charm, ito, then select device manager. Okay, so right-click, device manager. And then may lalabas siya. Okay, good. So sa step 2 natin, on the device manager, hanapin natin yon, which is ito nga. Expand network adapter. So nasan ba siya? Ito, network adapters. Okay. Right-click on Microsoft Hyper-V network adapter. Okay. Then select properties. Okay. Step 3, in the Microsoft Hyper-V Network Adapter Properties window, observe the General tab. General tab. Okay. Displaying the Microsoft. Okay. In Microsoft, okay. Step 4, in the Microsoft Hyper-V window, select the Events tab. Events tab. Oh, this device is working properly. Okay. General tab. Okay, good. Select the Events tab. Okay, sabi dito, requested signifies an initiation for installing the virtual network. Okay. Confirms the okay naman siya lahat. So, titignan natin dito. Nang sabi sa note, device install requested signifies an initiation for installing the virtual network adapter on the host system. So, and yung pangalawa, device configured indicates a successful configuration of the adapter settings. And then yung pangatlo na titingnan natin is yung device started. So sa step 5 natin, sabi dito, in the Microsoft Hyper-V Network Adapter Properties window, select cancel. Okay, and as we cancel it, and close the device manager window. Okay. Task to examine interface statistics and the ARP table at layer 1. Okay, so step 1, dito pa rin tayo sa ACI Win 11. On the taskbar, right-click on the Start Charm, then select Windows Terminal. So, Windows Terminal. Okay, good. Step 2, in the Windows Terminal, type the following. IP config backslash space backslash all. Okay, press enter. Okay. In the Windows terminal, type the following. So, sulat pa natin to. ARP/A. Press enter. Okay. Step 4 is, sabi, close the terminal. Close natin yung terminal. Okay. Task 3, examine route print at layer 3. So, sabi dito pa rin tayo. Step 1, on the taskbar, right-click on the Start Charm. Select Windows Terminal. Okay. And then, type natin yung ipconfig. Press enter. Okay? So, in the Windows Terminal, i-type ulit natin yung route print. Press enter. Okay, good. And then after that, let's close the Windows terminal. Yun. Okay. On to the next. Exercise 2. Okay. Task natin is use Wireshark to observe a TCP connection. Okay, dito pa rin tayo sa ACI Win11. In the taskbar, type the following in the search field, Wireshark. Okay. Wireshark. Okay. Then, select natin, invest much. Okay, on Wireshark, double click on the Ethernet adapter. Double click. Okay, right click on the start charm and select Windows Terminal. Windows Terminal. Step 4. In the Windows Terminal, type the following: nmap dash pn 192.168.0.4 and press enter. Alright. On the taskbar, select natin si Wireshark. Okay. So Wireshark, click on the red box to stop capturing packets. Okay, I guess ito yun. Alright. In Wireshark, in the apply a display filter field, ito yun guys, type natin to, TCP port dalawang equals space 22. Press enter. Okay. Tapos may lalabas siya dyan. And then after that, let us close the Wireshark. Close natin yung Wireshark. Wait. Okay. Step 9, in Wireshark. Okay, tama. Click without saving. And then, we're going to close the terminal. Okay, good. Okay, sa ating task number 2, dun ulit sa taskbar, type the following search field. Sabi dito, okay, Wireshark ulit tayo. And enter. And then again, double click the Ethernet. Okay, good. Wireshark in the apply display filter, which is ito. Type natin yung tcp.port dalawang equal space 80 and then enter. Step 4 in the taskbar, select Microsoft Edge. Okay. Wait lang. The taskbar, let's select Microsoft Edge. Okay, good. Microsoft Edge, type the following in the URL field. Which is ito yun guys. 192.168.0.4 and then press enter. Then let's close the Microsoft Edge. Good. And then step 7 natin, in Wireshark, scroll to the first TCP port 80 packets. First TCP. Okay? Then right click on the packet, follow, and then TCP string. Follow. Yun. Okay. Step 8. In the Wireshark, follow TCP stream window, click close. Step 9. Close the Wireshark. Again, quit without saving. Okay, good. On to the next. Okay, exercise 3. Paano ko ito palakihan, sir? Anyways. Okay. Step 1. On the taskbar, select File Explorer. Step 2. In the File Explorer window, navigate to ito, C. Okay, net. Okay. Type na lang natin, guys. C backslash net dash plus backslash module space 1. Okay. In step 3, in File Explorer, highlight the file path and type the following. Okay, File Explorer and highlight the file path. CMD. Press enter. Okay, in the command prompt window, type the following. dir. Sabi sa step 5, on the taskbar, select File Explorer. Okay. And then step 6, sabi dito, in the File Explorer window, right-click on the baby monkey file and select compress to a zip file. Okay, so right-click and then compress to zip file. Okay. On the taskbar, select command prompt. Yeah. In the command prompt window, type the following. dir, press enter. And then on the taskbar, select the File Explorer ulit. And step 10. In the File Explorer window, right-click on the baby monkey.zip file and select property. Okay, ito yun. Properties. In the baby monkey properties window, select advanced. Sabi sa step 12, in the advanced attributes window, select the checkbox next to encrypt contents to secure data. In the advanced attributes window, select the checkbox next to encrypt content. Okay. Click OK. Step 13. In the baby monkey properties window, click OK. Step 14, the encryption warning. Pop-up window, select the radio button next to encrypt the file only. Click OK. Step 15, observe the BMonkey zip file now shows a lock on the file. So ito, makikita natin, meron na siyang lock icon. Nag-i-indicate na encrypted na siya. So let's close the File Explorer window. And let's close the command prompt, yung cmd prompt window natin. And then, that's all. Up to the next. So next, ang task natin is use NSLOOKUP. So, step 1, dito pa rin tayo. Right-click on the Start Charm and select Windows Terminal. Okay, Windows Terminal. And then, type down natin tong NSLOOKUP ACIDC01. NSLOOKUP C01. And press Enter. Okay, and next, type down ulit natin tong NSLOOKUP space dash type dot equals ns aciplab.com. Press enter. Okay, so let's close the cmd terminal. Next, to the last,